we don't quite have the form we want to do this problem. We want to get rid of the radicals. We want to use the formula a plus b times a minus b, but we have x minus parenthesis times x minus a different parenthesis. Notice how the things in the parenthesis don't even match. We want to do a little bit of messing around on the inside of the brackets to get it to look like a plus b times a minus b. So here's our solution. This expression is equal to bracket. Now we're just going to move the parentheses out. Just get rid of the inner parentheses. This is x, so minus 1. Now distribute that negative sign to the second term, and it becomes minus the square root of 2, bracket, times the second bracket, x, distribute the negative sign, minus 1, and then minus and minus makes plus the square. Okay, now that's looking a little more interesting now. Okay, now let's group the x minus 1 together. We'll group it together here, and group it together here, and now we have a minus b times a plus b, and we're ready to apply the formula. A is being played by x minus 1, and b is being played by the square root. So that gives us, using the formula, first do squared, parenthesis, x minus 1, parenthesis squared, and then, see, we're applying this formula right here, right? Okay, now we're ready to do the b minus the b squared, minus, parenthesis, the b is being played by the square root of 2, squared. Okay, now, square and a square root's easy. That just gets rid of the square. As far as the x minus 1, we have to do x minus 1 times x minus 1. So this equals x minus 1 times x minus 1. We have to remember not to distribute the exponent across subtraction. And there's that minus 2. Let's continue on this line. We get x squared, and then we get minus 2x, and then we get a positive 1. I combined like terms in my head. I did some of this in my head. And bring down the minus 2. And that's equal to, now just combine like terms, and our final result will be x squared minus 2x. And then plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And that is our final answer. And you'll notice that we did just as requested. We eliminated the radicals in our result.